So guys, these are some of the items that I was that I've just packed for some. Okay, I've not like packed, I just put them all together, but I want to now specify which are for who like that, because inside there are other more stuff. So there are two more cartons. I have a lot of cartons and I want to show you each and every item before I now put to the specific lines. And you guys, if you're not following my business page Divine Interiors yet for home decor stuff, kitchenware and beddings, you guys, you're missing out. So if you need anything, please contact me and we will be able to organize on delivery, which yeah, it depends to where you are, but it's we do charge. So this is a set of mugs of bamboo. Like, I just show you everything. So this is how I've just put them randomly inside these boxes, but I want to pack them in another box for each client. Yeah guys, and I'm thankful for everyone who supports my business. Thank you so much. Yeah, so let me show you, and I don't know, let me just know how I'll sit down and be able to do this, because I don't have enough space where I'm standing. Yeah guys,
from separate sections, cause we could meet in the middle with no sense of direction. If it's sun up to sundown, we mess around, we're way too involved.
Hey MacKenzie Squad, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in here. If you're new, karibu sana. My name is Shiko Makena, and today's video guys, quickly just want to show you some items that I got for different clients, but I've just put them together. But I just want to separate them now because there's some others I need to send to the rider now. So I'll just show you quickly what I'll be able to do to show you because the rider is almost. I just wanted to do this quickly, and just to remind you, if you haven't followed my business page yet, that is Divine Interiors KE, please make sure that you do, because that's where I get to sell all these things, and you can communicate on how, if you want something, how it will reach to you. So yeah, that's it. And I also want to tell you that this will be one of the rules. If you are not following the page, then I think you won't get the giveaway. So I think it will be one of the rules. Yeah, so you guys, you should check it out, because that one will be one of the rules of the giveaway. So yeah, so I just want to show you this quickly, and then maybe the remaining ones nitawaonyesha baadaye nikirudi, because I'm supposed to go out. Yeah, I'm not feeling so good, and I'm hoping that my voice inasikika vizuri, because I'm trying to shout. I'm not feeling well guys. Yeah. So anyway, let's get right into it. I just don't want to talk much, so I just do this randomly. So let me just remove them, because I'm making a lot of noise. Oh. So guys, these are table mats. It's 6-piece table mats, which is PVC material, multicolored. She wanted this one, so I pick what you want guys. I don't just give you anything. So she wanted this. This is multicolored, 6 pieces with, it has a big table runner, but they're all PVC. So this is one of the items. I think I'll just put them down before I'll just take them later. And then there were other mats. For this one, for different clients guys. So this one's for one person. So she ordered 6 pieces. This one, 6 pieces table mats. Yeah, this is 6 pieces table mats. This one doesn't have a run, it's just only 6 pieces. The material also is PVC. So this is gray, and is this orange and a little bit of white. I'm loving this color. It looks so good, you guys. Tell me which one is your favorite. Yeah, between the two, the gray and the orange. So the other thing I wanted to show you guys, please don't mind my nails. I've not gone to the salon because this week has been hectic, and I think I just use, but I don't know what to do with the nails guys, because I've really tried I'm finding myself, like, when they make these nails, they become more weak instead they become more stronger. I don't know what's your perception on that, because I think I'll just go to back to my normal nails. Yeah, because even these ones are just normal, we've just done the overlay, but I'm not loving it anyway. So this one is plate stand, yeah, this one she wanted, there are two types, there's the gold and the silver, so she wanted the silver. I go with what you like, and this one is so nice because you it's always presentable, so when you're coming to just put your plates hazitakuwa all over. Yeah, that's another thing. And then there was this one, like, guys, this one is also a stand, but for the cups. This one, these things are good when you don't have enough space to place everything. So this one just manages everything in one at a go. So this one, you put 6 cups on it. And the good thing is they are metal. The other thing was also this mat, just the same as the other one that has a table runner, but this one is blue and gray. This is for a different client. This one has the table runner. So the pricing for each is so different. I'll just place everything here on the screen, the prices for you if you are interested. Let's continue. The other thing, I don't know, these things are making a lot of noise, and also there's another, just ignore the background noise, guys. It's something that I cannot avoid. So the other thing is this is it? Yeah, it's silver or gray, silver. Silver round table mat. I love this. So this is another different but it's still PVC, but in a round shape. I think round table mats look more unique, guys. I don't know what you think. So usually because we are used to normal gray ones, the gray not the gray, the normal rectangular ones, but these ones are a bit, woo, they are so good. Hii hata ni PVC inakaa kama rubber. Anyway, poa, lakini look at you guys, look. This is how it looks like, and I love it. So it comes in 2 types. I don't think I need to show you the 2. So there is this for gold. It's still the same thing, but in gold. So you guys, you can tell me in the comment section which is your favorite. Do you love gold? Do you love silver? The colors, which is your favorite mats? Yeah. So this one is another one. It's just the same thing as the silver, but in gold. And there's also copper in this one. The other one I wanted to show you. Wow, this one. Also, this one is gold, but a round flowered. Let me just describe it as that. When I show you the way it looks like without the paper, I think it's making more sense. Yeah, so this is how it looks, guys. It's flowered but round. Woo, this one is so cute, you guys. But it's in gold. There's also silver color, so it depends on what you like. The other thing I just wanted to show you, let's see if I forgot one. So there's another one. I think this one is I think I've shown in one of my videos. Hey, you guys, me, I love unboxing. I don't know, do you guys love unboxing? Tell me in the comment section, because I always find it so satisfying when you get the things you bought, even if they're not mine. I'm feeling fulfilled because I've gotten what my clients want. So this is another one, PVC, and it's leafy design. It's a leaf, but it's a cute table mat. This one also, it's in silver and it's also in gold. So this is what I got. Oh my goodness, I love it. I just want to see your engagement, you guys, of what particular mat that you're loving. Is it the leaf, the round, the rectangular one? So you tell me which is your favorite. So this one, they come in 2, gold and silver. This time I've bought a lot of table mats. I think I advertised more on the table mat. The other thing I wanted to show you are the rattans, guys. This is a rattan tray which you can place in your dining table or your coffee table or your console, where you can be placing things on top of here. This may be just things. It depends on what you want to place them. At least it will make them organized. And I love the fact that it's rattan, like it's a good thing, and it's so cute, you guys. It's so cute. So these things, all of them, you can get it on Divine Interiors KE. Please make sure you go check it on Instagram, and DM me if you're interested in anything, and we will sure send it to you. So this is it. So there's this one. This one usually come in a smaller version, and this there's this small, and there's a smaller one, and this is the bigger one. So this is how it looks, and I love the details on it. Yeah, guys. So this is another one. I also got this bamboo chopping board. So you guys, this bamboo chopping board, they're all the different kinds of, even okay, so this shape, there's round ones, there's cute round ones and everything, but this one, for this particular client, she wanted this, this is where I got her. It's so cute, it's so cute. And you can also put it as like in the kitchen, it can be something that you're displaying on top. You can display something on top. It works into both. It can be a chopping board, or also you can decorate with it. Guys, hey, this job is not easy because my phone was already storage full. I thought I'm still recording myself, but I'm not. So this is so, it makes you feel so bad, you know, because you've talked and nothing was recorded. Well, anyway, so this one was another one. I think I've showed you this one in another video, and it's laundry basket. I love it, and it's canvas. The inside part is black. It's also big as well. Ni ile tu hatujaweka kitu ndani, so I don't know how it can look, but this is how big it is. And I love. They have a lot of different colors. Let me show you the different colors. This one is another peach, which is so cute. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is better than using our plastic laundry basket, you know, like it's so cute and presentable. So at the handle, it has this metallic and black handle, so it's cute. And this one is washable, not something that you cannot wash. So guys, this is it. This is it, a laundry basket. I don't know why this top is not like staying how it's supposed to. The other one that is now my best of purchases was this one. This is another basket. This is how cute it is. I love. I love it. So this is in gray and white. We have 3 different colors, pure white and the brown underneath. So it's also big. Trying to make it look like it has something. So this is how it looks, guys, and I love it so much. This is my best purchases. It's cotton, guys, and handmade. So this is how it looks. This one you can do anything because it's a storage basket. You can put your fleece in the living room. You can use it to put your fleece. You can use it to put your throw pillows, the ones that are, you know, like there's some seats people put a lot of throw pillows, but when you're not using them, you can place them here. You can use it as a toy basket for your kids. Yeah, so many things you can think about it. Put them here. It's a storage basket, and you're good to go. It's so heavy, but it's a cute one. I love it. So you guys, you can tell me in the comment section which one was your best of purchases of what I got for the different clients, and the colors you loved more. Yeah, and if you need anything, as I've said, please go and check Divine Interiors KE on Instagram, and we'll be able to communicate from there. Or also my Instagram handle, we can still talk from there. There's no problem, and we can arrange on delivery, guys. So I think I just need to do this quick because there's a rider who is waiting for it at a traffic car. So I need to pack them so quickly, and because they're for different clients, it's the end, and then I leave, come back in the evening, and I will show you more of some items because there's some others here I need to deliver on the weekend. Yeah, guys, so I hope that you've enjoyed the video, guys, and I know I've like stayed for long without posting, and it's because I wasn't in a good position. Because it's always say when you're doing content, you need to be so energetic, you need to be so in a good mood, because at least you'll be able to deliver something nice for your audience. So that is now me. I hope that I've tried today, because I'm not sijakuwa poa sana, but I'm heading there. So yeah guys, I think that's it. And please remember to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and also remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you'll be able to see more videos from me, you guys. So I think I'll just talk to you, yeah, I think I'll just talk to you maybe like tomorrow, because I need to do there's some other boxes that are remaining. I need to do for you the other ones before I deliver, guys. So thank you so much for tuning and watching to this far, and I appreciate you. So goodbye for now. Bye bye.